I'm refilming and actually going to, I'm still circling the Comerica building, but I'm in kind of the back area now. So you can see this is the home of, let's go check it out. So there's Grant Thornton. Grant Thornton, we love you. You're gonna love it here too. Great area. Accounting, auditing, tax, consulting, whatever you're in. Tons of restaurants, tons of things to do here. So restaurant across the street's another Italian restaurant. I want you to see this area across the street too. This is a cool area that has some kind of water gardens. So we're gonna go to that. I do have to remember to wait for traffic. There is traffic here. Can't just walk wherever I want to walk. Over there, Dallas Chop House, that's definitely a great steak place. Okay, so I'm walking around just a little bit more. And hey, look at this. Isn't this cool? I really just want to walk through the rings, but I'm going to walk around the park a little bit just so you can get a feel. This is serene. You could go at lunchtime after you've gotten something to eat. Maybe sit out here for a bit and chat with a friend you've made, or read, check social media, whatever. So, yeah, you got just a fantastic area. This is a relatively new area too. It's a park area. I like it. If you couldn't tell, Dallas is really dog friendly. So we got a lot of dogs in the area, and we love this area. Hey, how you doing? Thanks for being here, man.
Yes, sir.
Appreciate you.
Yes, sir.
Dallas is a very secure area. Downtown is so secure. It's a great place to be. Some downtowns are maybe not as secure, but Dallas certainly is. So, isn't this great? Great area. Okay, so let's go through those rings real quick. Sorry, have to be a little kid and do that because I want to. So you can do this when you come here. You can do the rings like I'm doing. Okay, so basically what we just did is we took a couple little side turns, but we've circled the building just so you can kind of see a little bit of downtown area. It's really a big area. There's a lot to do in this area, so it would be hard to take a really long, to really get a feel of it. It'd be hard to take in all that stuff. But I did want you to see it. Grant Thornton. If you're thinking about working for Grant Thornton, or you're definitely heading to work for Grant Thornton, you've made a right choice. It's gonna be a great area, and I think you're gonna love it. I like there's a decent amount of trees in the downtown. It's just not this concrete feel. It's trees, it's a lot of grass. They did a great job. Okay, so this is Grand Thornton, and so we've got other videos of this area, and I want you to check them out. They're downtown, they're the Victory Park area. There's Clyde Warren, which we're just about to go to. So there's a ton of videos that would give you a great feel of this area. So I encourage you to check them out, and you guys have a great night.